Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you whenever this video reaches you. Today I stand before you with a passion for culinary arts and a desire to share something truly special with you all. I am thrilled to introduce you to my fourth cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine, Enhancing Your Inner Chef. A culmination of years of dedication, creativity, and culinary exploration. This will be officially released on June 19th. Allow me to convince you why this cookbook should find a place in your kitchen. Firstly, this cookbook is not just a collection of recipes. It is a culinary journey that will transport you to new and exciting flavors from around the world. Each page is filled with a harmonious blend of traditional and innovative recipes, meticulously crafted to tantalize your taste buds and broaden your culinary horizons. From hearty comfort foods to elegant dishes that you can save for a special occasion, this cookbook has something for everyone. But what truly separates this cookbook apart is its emphasis on health and well-being. In today's fast-paced world, it can be challenging to find time to prioritize our health. That's why this cookbook is carefully curated with wholesome, nourishing recipes that are as good for your body as they are for your soul. It celebrates the beauty of fresh ingredients, encourages mindful eating, and provides a balanced approach to food that supports a healthy lifestyle. Moreover, this cookbook is designed with accessibility in mind. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting your culinary journey, this book is a valuable companion. The recipes are thoughtfully written, easy to follow, and include helpful tips and techniques to ensure your success in the kitchen. With clear instructions and beautiful visuals, you'll feel confident and inspired as you work your way through this new culinary adventure. Now, let's talk about the experience this cookbook offers. Cooking is not merely about sustenance. It's an art form that engages all of our senses. With this cookbook, I invite you to embark on a sensory voyage. From the vibrant colors of fresh produce to the aromatic herbs and spices that'll dance in the air as you cook, each recipe will delight your senses and create memorable moments for you and your loved ones. This cookbook is an opportunity to create lasting memories through food. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, this cookbook is a celebration of community. Food has a unique way of bringing people together, fostering connections and building relationships. As you gather around the table with family and friends, sharing the delicious creations from this cookbook, you'll create a tapestry of shared experiences and cherished memories. It is a testament to the power of food to nourish not just our bodies, but also our souls. In conclusion, my fourth cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine, Enhancing Your Inner Chef, is a labor of love crafted with the intention to inspire, nurture, and delight. All versions of this cookbook will be available on Amazon. You can easily find it by Googling the title or searching through Amazon as well. I will, of course, be sharing recipes on my Chef Vic Cuisine YouTube channel as well. This cookbook offers a diverse array of recipes, promotes a healthy lifestyle, and fosters a sense of community. So I invite you to join me on this culinary adventure. Purchase a copy of my cookbook, and let's embark on a journey of flavors, discovery, and togetherness. Thank you all so much for your attention, and I pray that your kitchen be forever filled with joy and flavor. God bless you all, and thank you so much.